now is Councilman Nick Mosby, whose wife is Marilyn Mosby, who will ultimately receive this case at the end of the week. I want to ask you, this is your district. How are you doing, and what are you anticipating for today?
I'm doing well. The one thing when I look at it is excited about the young folks who are really exercising their right, a voice, exercising and showing their frustration. It's critically important that they stay productive, and that's what I hope that we can continue throughout today. We've seen very productive demonstrations this past week. I've been out at the Western District every single night closing it out, and I hope that we continue to stay productive today.
Where will you be today?
I'm going to actually be at the Western at the start of it, and then Gilmore at the start of it when they come towards City Hall.
I'd be remiss if I didn't ask the mood of your wife, who will ultimately receive this case, and much attention will then be focused on the state's attorney's office. How would you describe her mood?
Marilyn is a very laser-focused individual. She's always been that way. We're college sweethearts. I've known her since I was 19 and she was 18. So she's well prepared through life experiences for times like this, and she's handling it well.
I want to ask you about this deadline, this May 1st deadline that we've been hearing. What are your concerns about information coming out that will ultimately, the questions that would be answered, people are looking for answers on May 1st. Do you expect answers on May 1st?
I'm not sure. What I will say is the point that we're at today, the problem has been that in the initial onslaught when he was chased, detained, and arrested and charged, people really want to know the specific basic information. Like, what is he charged for? Why was he arrested while he laid in the hospital? And then once he passed away, people really wanted to kind of know all those answers. And I think when you start this process out with that, it just grows the distrust, it grows the skepticism about the process, and I think that that's where we are today with a lot of the frustration. So we have to do a better job, and we see this all across the country, where you don't give that basic level of information right away. That shouldn't be anything that's going to harm a case or anything that's going to put the criminal investigation in a negative light. It's just that at the end of the day, why was Freddie Gray arrested?
Look ahead towards this day. There's been a call for calm, obviously, because it has been a week of very peaceful protests so far. What are you anticipating today?
I anticipate a large turnout. I anticipate 90–95% of the demonstrators to do a really good job, but then there might be some who are not necessarily doing a productive type of demonstration job. I just want the folks in Baltimore to understand and know these out-of-town agitators, once these national cameras leave, they leave as well, right? And this is our city, this is our home, and we must protect it and act peacefully and orderly associated with this demonstration. And I expect the young folks of West Baltimore and all across this state who are coming here today to do that.
Councilman Nick Mosby, thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much, Deborah.
We appreciate it.